Good afternoon everyone, my name is Thibaut Eden, I am the beverage director here at the Langham Chicago, and today I wanted to show some support to our friends in Italy by presenting one of their great wine. So the wine I will present to you today is a wine from the Piedmont region in the Barbera d'Asti DOCG, and the wine specifically is a wine from the winery Scarpa, the single vineyard La Bugliona, Barbera d'Asti Superior DOCG 2013. So Scarpa is a really old house. It was created in 1854 and has always been creating some great wine from all over the board in Piedmont. They have wine from Barolo, from Barbaresco, and obviously here from Barbera d'Asti. Barbera d'Asti and this single vineyard specifically is definitely what put them on the map in Piedmont in the late 20th century. Mario Pesce, who was the winemaker at that time, had the vision that Barbera had the potential to be cellar worthy and showcase some of the great qualities of the great wine. So instead of focusing only on Nebbiolo like most of the wineries in Piedmont, he decided to put a big focus on the Barbera grape. And this actually worked because really quickly his wine from Barbera d'Asti and specifically La Bugliona got a ton of great press, and the wine are just exquisite. So we are 100% Barbera, obviously. Barbera is the second great grape of Piedmont after Nebbiolo, and the wines are definitely showing a great complexity, great freshness, elegance, with always this medium to full body component, so pretty interesting in this region. The vintage 2013 was a great vintage in Piedmont. All over the board, Nebbiolo was extremely, it was a great vintage for Nebbiolo, and for Barbera in some really important great vineyard, because it was a cooler vintage, so you had the opportunity to have a great season, and the harvest was a bit later than what they did usually, so you had a full maturation. The wine are perfect. So if you have the opportunity to buy some 2013 from Piedmont, do so, you will not be disappointed. And so La Bugliona, it's a single vineyard in the southwest part of Barbera d'Asti. We are just outside of the town of Aquiterme, and this is a single vineyard with mostly sandy soil. They actually call this vineyard the daughter of sand at Scarpa. And the age of the wines are between 40 to 45 years old. They did replant some wines in 2001, but most of them were planted in the 1970s, 1980s. So let's taste the wine, shall we? So the wine is really beautiful, a nice ruby red color with some purple reflect. On the nose we get this really nice red fruit, sherry, slightly macerated red cherries. We get some plum as well, red plum. But what is really interesting with this wine is that you get as well this forest floor component, wet wood, and really great minerality already on the nose. The palate is exquisite as well. Really a well-integrated tannin, extremely smooth, medium tannin. The acidity here is pretty well pronounced. I would definitely go to a medium plus acidity. But what is interesting is that it's elevate the wine so much. It really brings some life to this wine. It's a really fresh, elegant, mineral-driven wine with so much juice. It's really exquisite. In addition, what is interesting that the aging, the élevage has been really well made. It's This wine sees 18 to 36 months 18 to 36 months in a really large French oak vat, and after those 1.5 to 3 years in those large vats, it goes for another 2 years in a bottle. So definitely extensive aging directly at the winery, and it really pays the wine outstanding, and I would definitely recommend it to you. So please do not forget to support our friends in Italy, and especially our friends at the winery Scarpa by buying their wine and drinking their wine. Thank you very much.